Perfect, our analysis was correct. To make your first $1 million, you just need to spend about an hour a day, have an internet access and believe that you can do it. Some might think that it's nonsense, that it's unbelievable. If I had not believed in this opportunity and seized it, I would have never reached an income of about $1.5 million a year. Watch this video till the end and I'll unveil a 5-step system for making $1,000 a day. Hey there buddy, glad you're watching this video. I'm Simon and I've been trading for over 7 years. Here I share the most advanced and profitable ways to trade online. Why do most beginners lose money when they start trading binary options? They just don't understand how to grow in this field. They lack a consistent plan and they just dive into the market and make bets hoping to make quick money. And that's natural, everyone makes mistakes in the beginning. But today I'm going to share a 5-step system that will help you get the hang of trading without unnecessary doubts and mistakes. Let's not drag this out. Step 1. You need to have the right mindset. Trading should become your daily habit, so it's important to understand that initially you'll have to invest some effort. It's best to plan 5 to 30 minutes a day when you'll trade, and in the beginning you should be ready to invest small amounts of money. You can even start with something like 10-20 bucks and not worry about losing them. You should view every loss and win as experience. Always stay calm and analyze what went right and what did not. This will help you maintain a positive mindset. Let's recap how to form a habit. Plan your trading period. Initially, this could be 5 minutes and you can gradually increase the duration. Trade every day. Pick a time and trade during that period. Be prepared to lose money at the start. Learn to treat wins and losses equally and always analyze them. Approach trading with a good mood. You need to be in a good shape. That's why many traders trade after workouts. When your mind and body are prepared, they function well. By the way, do you do any workouts before trading? And really, is it a must for a trader to work out? Drop your answers in the comments. Let's figure out the best type of exercises for trading together. Step 2. Learning the tools. First, you need to get familiar with the platform you plan to trade on. I recommend Pocket Option. Been trading on it since 2019 and it's been the best platform for me. Let's start with exploring the interface of the platform. Let's dive right into the platform and see what settings we need. So here we have the trade time frame. I usually trade on the 1 minute. It's the most optimal for predicting the market. I suggest you click around and understand the options available. Next up, the bet. I've got 19 bucks in my account and I'm going to bet it all to show you the potential of trading binary options. You can start with small amounts too, and it's better not to bet everything at once. It's important to follow risk management. Then we select the candlestick time frame. For a 1 minute trade, I prefer 30 seconds. You can set minute candles on 1 minute trades, but it's better to have more detailed chart analysis. That's what works for me. After that, we choose the currency pairs. Always go for the ones with the highest percentage. Australian dollar and Canadian dollar, 92%. Australian dollar and Swiss franc, 92%. Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar, 92%. And Australian dollar and US dollar, 92. These percentages will be your winning amount from the bet. So you bet 10 bucks and get back $19. The percentages change throughout the day, so stay alert. And the most important tools every trader needs to learn, the indicators. They help analyze the chart and predict possible price changes. Today we'll use envelopes and RSI with standard settings. By the way, I've already made over $78,000 with strategies using these indicators. At the end of the video, I'll tell you how these indicators work and you'll quickly learn how to analyze the chart. So, is this info useful to you? Then smash that like button on this video and let's move on. Step 3. It's important to understand how trading works. Try your hand at it. We are ready to trade. We've got 19 bucks in our account, so let's see how it goes. Wish us luck. The envelopes indicator is not showing up right for us, but we'll manage. Australian dollar and US dollar. The RSI indicator shows we're approaching the 70 level, the overbought zone. In previous cases, the asset crossed it and the price rebound soon occurred. We're predicting a similar situation now. Press down. Perfect, our analysis was correct. First profit $36. And in just 1 minute, we've increased our deposit by 92%. Nearly doubled. Nice. Australian and New Zealand dollar. Here it seems a trend reversal is forming from the minimum, the red candles are getting shorter, the price is bouncing higher and more often, so we are going to invest in an increase. Up. Very nice, our forecast was correct. Buddy, you've seen how you can earn with binary options. So I invite you to join my trading community in the Telegram channel. It's totally free. Every day I trade with 10,000 plus subscribers, and together we earn from 200 to 500k in a single session. My like-minded folks simply enter trades following my signals and make an average of about $1,000 a day. You too can trade with us for free and earn daily. Join using the first link in the description or the pinned comment. But let's keep going with the session. I've still got loads of important info for you. The Australian dollar and the Swiss franc pair. The situation is similar to our previous currency pair, so we expect a new upward trend. We are going long. We've made a profit, and after 3 trades, we've increased our deposit from $19 to $133, and we've spent no more than 4 minutes trading. $100 in 4 minutes, that's a pretty good result. Step 4. It's important to study the theory. For example, if you learn about a new strategy, don't rush to test it immediately. Better to first understand the theory, read up on the indicators, how they work. By the way, I regularly post educational content in my Telegram channel. And since we're talking about theory, let's dive into how our indicators work today. Envelopes. This indicator consists of average lines that indicate the direction of the chart's movement. It wraps around the chart on both sides, not like ours today unfortunately, and when crossing the lower line, expect the price to move up. And when it goes beyond the upper line, the chart often moves down. RSI, an indicator that allows you to determine the moods in the market. Its scale from 0 to 100 allows evaluating overall strength of the trend, as well as the current level of overbought or oversold conditions of the instrument. Together, the indicators allow you to diversify your view of what's happening on the chart and smartly predict price movements. To continue boosting your trading skills, you should watch more trading content. For instance, in this video, I give a strategy with Keltner channel and RSI indicators. In 11 minutes, I make $4,622 starting with just $20. $4,500 in 11 minutes. Click here or go through the link in the description to watch the video and get a new theory. Now let's cement that knowledge. Back on the platform we go. Australian dollar and Canadian dollar. Here, envelopes is actually helping us and is showing a clear trend reversal. We're expecting an upward movement and we are following it. Bet up! Our profit is now at $255. Awesome! Alright, the Aussie and US dollar look pretty uncertain. This long green candle especially worries me. Let's not risk it. Moving on to the next pair. Switching to the Aussie and Kiwi pair, both indicators are predicting an upward movement, and clearly after such a strong red impulse, a rebound is expected. Hit that button. Our capital has grown to $490. Now that's really something significant, but it's too early to stop. Aussie franc. The RSI readings are moving sideways, but the price is still rising. I expect the sellers to take over soon. Down. $940, incredible! Does anyone have a job where they make over $900 in 7 minutes? And the final step for our trading development, step 5. Trade, trade, trade. Nothing teaches you to analyze charts like personal practice and your own mistakes. Of course, it's better to approach this moment as prepared as possible to minimize errors, but mistakes are inevitable. Don't be afraid of that, just keep the previous steps in mind. Right mindset, learning the tools, indicators, patterns, candlestick analysis, try your hand at it, and studying the theory. And then your trading will be more productive. For example, like this. Aussie and Canadian. On the chart we're seeing consolidation, so it's time to get in. We're going long. Consolidation is when the chart moves sideways within a repeating range. We entered closer to the lower boundary, so price increase was predictable. We were completely right again and deservedly earned more profit. Our account balance has reached $1,805. Not bad. Aussie and the buck. A new resistance level for the price is emerging, but buyers are not letting the chart drop, meaning they are planning to test the reached maximum again. Press up. Our smart moves bring us to earnings of $2,725. Excellent! And let's do our final trade for today. Switching to the Aussie and Kiwi pair. Envelopes are pointing upwards. Buyers are preventing the price from dropping below the level where the wicks of 3 candles end. I'm predicting another upward move. We bet. Fantastic! We finished the session with an account total of $3,645. That means in less than 15 minutes we've earned over $3,500. 15 minutes and $3,500. Isn't it the best way to make money? But of course it can be intimidating at the start. I understand how scary it can be to take the first steps in this journey. That's why I created a Telegram channel. There I support trading newbies, answering questions, explaining how everything works on the Pocket Option platform, and most importantly, there I share the signals that I trade with for free. You enter trades following them and earn an average of $1,000 every day. And you can do it too, just like the other 10,000 plus members of my Telegram channel. Check out some of the messages my followers constantly send me. It really motivates me to help you trade. Join us! Click the first link in the description and the pinned comments under this video, and make sure to shoot me a direct message. That's all for today. Bye bye.